Welcome back to Explified. Today, we are learning the present perfect continuous tense. Whether you're new to this tense or aiming to refine your grammar skills, understanding how and when to use it can greatly enhance your ability to express ongoing actions or states. Let's explore. Before we start, here is a short quiz for you to try. Which sentence correctly uses the present perfect continuous tense? She finished her work yesterday. He has been playing tennis every Saturday. They will go on vacation next month. We are going to the concert tonight. Answer. He has been playing tennis every Saturday. When do we use the present perfect continuous tense? To talk about actions that occurred at a specific time in the past. To describe completed actions with a present result. To emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. To describe future actions that will be completed by a certain time. Answer. To emphasize the duration of an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Were you able to solve it? If not, don't worry. What is the present perfect continuous tense? The present perfect continuous tense expresses actions or situations that started in the past, continue into the present, and may continue into the future. It emphasizes the duration or ongoing nature of an action or state. Where is the present perfect continuous tense used? This tense is used in both spoken and written English, particularly in contexts where the focus is on the duration of an activity or its relevance to the present moment. When is the present perfect continuous tense used? It is used to describe actions or states that started in the past, are still ongoing, and are expected to continue. It is also used to emphasize the duration of an action up to the present moment. Why is the present perfect continuous tense used? This tense is used to convey that an action or state has been happening continuously up to now, highlighting its relevance or consequences in the present. Examples of present perfect continuous tense. She has been studying for 3 hours. Emphasizes the duration of studying. They have been living in London since 2010. Emphasizes the duration of living in London. Examples in a sentence. I have been working on this project all morning. Duration of the action. She has been cooking dinner since 5 o'clock. Action started in the past and continues. Example of a conversation.
Tina, what have you been doing all day?
I have been studying for my exams.
How long have you been preparing for them?
I have been studying since last week.
It's quiz time. Which sentence uses the present perfect continuous tense? He goes to the gym every morning. She has been playing tennis for 2 hours. They will travel to Paris next week. I read a book yesterday. Answer. She has been playing tennis for 2 hours. What does the present perfect continuous tense emphasize? Completed actions in the past. Ongoing actions up to the present. Future intentions. General truths. Answer. Ongoing actions up to the present. Identify the correct usage of the present perfect continuous tense. She, painting since this morning. Has started. Has been. Started. Is. Answer. Has been. Which sentence correctly uses the present perfect continuous tense? They cooked dinner last night. He has been working hard all week. She will be studying tonight. I have seen that movie yesterday. Answer. He has been working hard all week. Find the incorrect usage of the present perfect continuous tense. They have been waiting for the bus for an hour. We have been knowing each other since childhood. She has been singing beautifully. He has been living in New York for 5 years. Answer. We have been knowing each other since childhood. What tense is used in the sentence, I have been reading this book for 2 hours? Past simple. Present continuous. Present perfect continuous. Future simple. Answer. Present perfect continuous. That concludes our lesson on the present perfect continuous tense. How did you do in the quiz? Share your scores in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, subscribe to our channel for more grammar insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching Explified. Until next time.